Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Rise Varza. We're doing some Blissing Never Trick Shining Live. Number 7, 8, 9, 10, something. It's a real Ning number. It's been a while. I'm playing with my boy HS, my boy Brute. Yeah, say hello. Okay, cool. Wow, faggots.
Yo, what's going on, guys?
Oh my. Alright, playing on some Hazard, playing on some BO1 just like usual. And you guys love this series. 100 of you, you know. Nah, just kidding. Fuck that. 2 of you.
Oh, fuck you, HS.
Most of you just like and comment because it's me doing it, but whatever.
Are you in trick shot for mini spots?
Yeah? What? Remember, just like we set. I mean, trick shot for real.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah.
Remember King Tag set up Raul? Yeah, but.
Yeah, we were setting up like Val. Remember, we were doing Road to a Val? Remember?
Yo, cut that.
I'm not cutting that, nigga. I hope all the fans see it. Dumbass fans, all cancer patient Ebola faggots. Alright.
Are you kidding me, huh?
Oh.
Hey, just behind you.
Alright, we have to work on that dick. I mean, Uzori Mita. To work up on. Oh. Alright, can we actually get to last? Thanks.
We're not even on the same team. I'm playing out for you, idiot.
We're working together as a unit, alright?
No, HS is no.
Oh.
Wow, I thought we were working together.
Not when you're in the picture, kid. No. You little. Oh my. Fag. Yeah, get cancer, kid. Nah, I'm just kidding. That's chill. Cold. Alright, so it's been like 10 years since we've done one of these. I'm probably gonna be the one to hit, but whatever. As usual. HS doesn't even hit. HS hits like once, I don't even know, year. Oh. He supposedly hit this Nuketown shot, but I didn't see it, so.
Wow. You fucking saw you.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I called him, he was like sleepy.
Wait.
You would spawn in, but not play, and you want to enter the phone.
Oh, I was, yeah, I don't know. Oh my, come on, fat boy, come back to Varza. Oh, wow. Yeah, he said you fake brute. Ew. Going hard on that dick, right? Wow. Oh, I mean, I got it.
Oh, get the dick again.
I got it earlier, so I don't care.
By me? I don't know.
Oh, no, yeah, by you.
Oh, wait, it's Thursday.
Oh! Yeah, I know. It was a good Thursday, too. Trust me. Oh my god. No, earlier in the morning. Okay, I can't even get a kill. Oh my god. Fat boys are all up in this mojo. Jesus.
No, please don't kill me.
There you go. Oh. Oh. Alright, we're doing some zombies trick shotting live. You're dead. Yes! You're dead.
Yeah! Up the last.
We compromised pretty well, brute. Wow.
Oh, how do you even trick shot? Don't let brute trick shot. Wow.
Oh my god! Are you kidding? Raz is just running around knifing. Oh my.
Oh!
Oh! Raz, you suck.
Sorry, bro. That's it.
Damn.
Holy crap. Hey, Chad, don't even try to come after me. You do? Oh, that's what happened, bro.
Oh my god, this guy knifed me again. Are you kidding?
Watch your back, bro. Watch your back, bro.
Oh my!
Watch your back, bro.
I can't get to
Are we
last.
supposed to kill each other?
No! What? Oh my!
Oh,
Alright, yeah, you can get out of my lobby. Oh my. This kid didn't even.
Killed me.
Shut up. Yo, not knife. Oh my.
Hey, just said I'm coming after you, so I got scared.
Oh, coming where?
You could call the fucking whole MS-13 on me.
Wow.
Oh, nice!
No, let me kill you, my boy right there, right? Oh, wolf, yeah.
kill yourself. You died. Let's go. That's the last? Wow.
What? I had to get to the last kid.
Yeah, they're killing me. Don't kill me. I'm right here, bro. Chill, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
You
Ew!
kill me. I'm gonna go for a shot. Oh. I'm going on a shot on you, kid. I don't even care anymore.
Okay, I mean, if you want to hit a shot, I mean, I don't care. Don't make it ugly. Oh! Oh! Ew, just. Yup! Alright, no knifing now. Kill that Azorian kid. Alright, we're all gonna be at this hot tub, so don't knife anyone there.
Is that you, Barzo?
Yes, it's me.
Oh!
Whoa!
Wow.
Wow, this nigga let me get knifed.
I got him.
Yeah, yeah.
No. Oh, this fucking idiot got me. I thought that was you, Barzo. I was being a true nigga tonight.
Oh!
They first? Wow. You know, you just kill him, knife him.
Why? Oh!
Oh.
I hit a brute. Let's go. Alright, guys, let's listen to that trick shotting. Yeah, just kidding.
That doesn't even count.
Yeah, I know. Oh! Damn. Get the dick. Oh, look, he fell back too, right on his knees. Look at him on his knees. Look at that kid. Getting the dick hard. Getting dick hard. Yeah, yeah. Wait, it was?